Assalamualaikum and good day. So right now we will be learning on integration by substitution, or also called as U substitution. Okay, this is used when an integral contains a function and also its derivative. Okay, so in this case U will be set as the function and we will rewrite the integral in terms of the new variable U. Okay, that means, let's say the first question is we integrate with respect to x. So the next thing that we will do is integrate with respect to u. Okay, so this will make the integral easier to solve, and the final answer will be expressed in terms of the original variable. Let's say x, it will be in x. Y, it will be in y then. Okay, and right now, let's say we have an integral. So the first thing that you need to do is to make a choice of u, which is equal to gx or gy, gt or whatsoever. And then we compute the du dx. Okay, differentiate u with respect to x. And then we substitute the terms u and also dx in the integral. And then we evaluate the integral with respect to u. And and at the final stage, we will replace u by the gx, so that the final answer is in terms of x. Okay, so right now we have an example here, solving this equation. Okay, integrate x, 3x squared plus 1 power of 5 with respect to x. Okay, so it's quite impossible for you to expand actually power of 5. Okay, it's redundant for us to do that. We can actually integrate this by using integration by substitution. So we will let the function with the power here as u. Don't include the power. Okay, it will just be the function fx here. Okay, so u is equal to 3x squared plus 1. Differentiate u with respect to x, we have 6x. And then rewrite the x as the subject. So we have du over 6x is equal to d of x. Okay, so right now substitute everything back into the integral. So we have integrate x. Okay, x remain here. And then this part will be changed into u, as we have let u equal to 3x squared plus 1. So here it will be u power of 5. Okay, and dx, we just need to substitute dx with du over 6x here. Okay, and as you can see here, we can actually simplify x, and hence we will be left with this equation. Okay, integrate u power of 5 over 6 with respect to u. Okay, integrate as usual. As for algebraic function, we will have u power of 6 over, this is the 6 for the constant, and 6 here is the new power. Okay, over 6 plus c. And simplifying, we will have 1 over 36. Replace u with the original terms in x, which is 3x squared plus 1. And hence this will be the final answer. 1 over 36, 3x squared plus 1 power of 6 plus c. Remember, you need to add c because this is indefinite integral. Okay, the next one will be this question. Okay, solving 5x squared over x cubed plus 2 with respect to x. So right now, it will be, we can't separate them into each term. Let's say for this type of integral, let's say you have x cubed plus 2 over 5x squared with respect to x. You can separate it into each terms, x cubed over 5x squared plus 2 over 5x squared with respect to x. But for this type of function integral, you cannot separate them like this. That's when we need to use integration by substitution. Therefore, here we will let u is equal to the denominator. Okay, denominator. So here, let u equal to x cubed plus 2. Differentiate u with respect to x is 3x squared. Okay, next, rewrite the function with dx as the subject. Okay, the equation with dx as the subject. So we have dx equal to du over 3x squared. Okay. Next, substitute u in the integral and also the new dx in the integral. And hence we have integrate 5x squared over u times du over 3x squared. Okay. And next, we can actually simplify here x squared and x squared. And we are left with this function. 5 over 3 integrate 1 over u du. Okay, we can actually factorize the constant outside because it only involves one function here. Okay, integrate 1 over u is ln u, and then just substitute the original u, which is x cubed plus 2. Therefore, the final answer is actually 5 over 3 ln x cubed plus 2 plus c. Okay, done. Okay, I just would like to actually recall another thing for while integrating for ln. So let's say here you don't factorize the constant outside. This would be your integral, right? So you can also integrate it into 5 ln 3u over 3 plus c. Remember, ln ax plus b, integrate 1 over ax plus b would be with respect to x. Okay, so would be 1 over a here. Okay, ln ax plus b, and then your final answer should be this 5 over 3 ln 3 x cubed plus 2 plus c. Both are correct. Okay, if you want to know the reason why both are correct, please refer back to the logarithmic functions, indefinite integral for logarithmic functions video. Okay, that's it for this video, for the first part. Thank you.